Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that affect diagnostics. The device is on the correct SSID and not a guest network, and a second device reproduces the fault. Reboot the modem first, then the router. Wait 60 to 90 seconds so the modem reestablishes upstream lock before the router tries to get an IP. Once done, check the router status lights and your device's Wi-Fi icon. These tell you whether DHCP and WAN links are present and guide the next steps. Now dig into addresses and name resolution. You should renew the DHCP lease or forget and re-add the SSID. That clears stale IPs. On the router, verify the DHCP pool covers all devices and no static IP collision exists. Next, test DNS by setting your device to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 temporarily. If pages load, DNS was the culprit. Make sure to save configuration changes and reboot the router so DHCP and DNS settings propagate to clients correctly. Finish with upstream and firmware checks. You run a speed test and traceroute to see where packets stop. If the modem shows no upstream or the traceroute fails at the ISP, call them. Make sure the router firmware is current and only factory reset after backing up config. Once reset, reapply minimal settings and test. If problems persist, collect logs and exact timestamps, then escalate to ISP support so they can correlate outages or provisioning problems with the evidence you gathered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.